So oftentimes here in the Hooniverse, we get to play with production vehicles, like that one right there. That's fun. We got to play with that. That's a Honda Talon. That is fun too, but occasionally those two vehicles do stuff that we can't talk about on camera and create one of these. This is a concept vehicle. This is Honda's rugged open air vehicle concept, and it's like that and that made a cool little baby, and we're gonna see what it can do out here at Honda's Proving Center. So in reality, what this started life as a Honda Ridgeline, which is basically the same chassis as that. It's Honda's light truck chassis. They cut the roof off. It's still got Ridgeline running gear. It has seats from a Civic Type-R that have been reskinned so they're waterproof. It has the steering wheel from a Pioneer 1000. It has 3D printed parts, and it came together in 2.5 months, which is fascinating. So rather than just sit here and tell you a little bit about it, I kind of want to drive it because you don't get to do this very often. So let's go.
So here's the deal. The Talon side-by-side is still the better off-road beast. There's more suspension travel, and it's lighter as well. On the flip side, the Honda Passport is better off-road than we expected. There's some decent chops built into this chassis, and it shows. But the ROAV is just a concept, and it shows what Honda engineers can do when given a chance to have a bit of fun. And allowed to play with rapid prototype parts. Yes, the shift lever is from an Odyssey, but the body panels are 3D printed versions of those found on a Honda Pioneer, and the fender liners were 3D printed as well. It wasn't all light-hearted fun on this build, sadly, as the program manager lost his mother, then his father, over the course of it all, and then the dude who hand-fabricated the hood was hit and killed by a distracted driver. But it's still a labor of love. The names of most everyone who worked on this truck are applied to a plaque on the back, and the program manager's mom and dad, the made-up VIN stamped near the firewall, it uses their anniversary date. The final product is one that shows what Honda can do when it wants to have conceptual fun, and we know what Honda can do with real deal fun in the Talon and the Passport.